Hey, what's going on? It's Ronnie. We're about to break down That's the Way Love Goes, and I hope you enjoy it. We're gonna flip the screen first. There you go. Thanks for being here. Okay, so the very first thing you're gonna do is when you hear the intro, like a moth to a flame burned by the fire, my love is blind, can't you see my desire? You're gonna go, that's the way love goes. And then you're gonna travel to the left, you're gonna turn all the way around. You're gonna go left, right, turn around, right, left. Bring the arms back, flex the hands, and drop. Hold your calves right here. You're gonna go right, look up, step out, left, right, drop. Right, look up, left, right, drop. Try that. Right, look up, left, right, drop. Right, look up, left, right, drop. From there, you just go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 with the right foot. You plant it, you sink it down and come up nice and easy. Sharp. Then right, left, and cross the legs like that, bend the legs like that. Turn it around, up, and drop. Okay? So the legs are 1, 2, 3, and drop 4.
That's the way love goes. My love is blind, can't you see my desire? That's the way love goes.
So I just want to say thank you so much. I got your back. Keep practicing. Peace and love. And let's have some fun. Take care.